coding is magic spells. It's not, it's grammar. Look at the screen. You need the golden key of tokens to unlock the logic. You need the blueprint of statements to build the structure. And you need the yellow sticky notes of comments so you don't get lost. If you speak bad syntax to a computer, it quits. Today, we fix your grammar. Here is why you're failing. You type whatever feels right. You miss a bracket, you forget a rule, and boom. See that broken chain? That is your code crashing before it even runs. You get the red exclamation mark of frustration because you aren't precise. You were just filling that trash can with spaghetti code, and the machine refuses to eat it. Let's break it down to atoms. We call these tokens. First, look at the padlock. These are keywords, reserved words like if or while. They are locked. You cannot use them for names. Second, the name tag. These are identifiers, the labels you stick on your variables. Third, the number block. Literals, the raw data, like the number 42. You need all three to build a sentence. Now stack the bricks. This is a statement. A statement is a gavel hitting the desk. It creates an expression that actually does something. It uses traffic lights to control the flow, telling the code when to stop or go. And see that steel sphere at the end? That is the terminator, the semicolon. It ends the thought. Without it, the computer thinks you're still talking. Finally, the cheat code, comments. Enter the ghost. This is text the compiler ignores. It's invisible to the machine, but essential for you. It acts as a compass, explaining the why behind the logic. And see that skull? That's a legacy note. Use comments to mark the dangerous code, so your future self doesn't delete it by accident. Recap time. Look at the checklist. 1. Tokenize. Use the atoms and keywords correctly. 2. Terminate. Put the arrow where it belongs and end the line with a semicolon. 3. Document. Whisper the logic to the next human. Do not be lazy. Syntax errors are embarrassing. I filled this treasure chest with a syntax mastery pack. You get the red PDF roadmap to map your learning. You get the calculator tool to validate your code structure offline, and a cheat sheet so you never have to memorize a keyword again. Link in the description. If your code finally compiled, hit that like button. Ring the bell to join the database. Drop the comment syntax clear below if you're ready to actually build something. You have the grammar, but you have nothing to talk about. You need memory. You need to fill the cardboard boxes. You need to label the tags. In the next video, we build the containers. Click here for variables and data types. Go.